Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use sticky notes on Samsung Notes. So now with One UI 8, you can now add sticky notes into your Samsung Notes, so making your notes more organized and more interactive. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the notes. We'll open up a new note, and let's just say I'll just type something over here. Now to add a post-it note onto this note itself, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and then you want to go ahead and tap on sticky note. Now go ahead and type what you want. So let's just say, for example, shopping list here. Now we'll minimize this, and this sticky note has been added to this note. I can go ahead and take this and drag it to this. So now this is a note, Simple Dad, and I can tap on this sticky note to expand it. I can go ahead and shrink it. And then I can go ahead and add another one as well. I can go ahead and change all these different colors, or I can go ahead and delete it. Now this is the second note here, so I can go ahead and drag this, put it here. So here I've got two sticky notes on this one Samsung Note. So with this, you can basically highlight important tasks, reminders, or deadlines right inside your notes. You can organize projects visually so nothing gets lost. And this is perfect for students, planners, or anyone who loves color-coded organization. So there you go, guys. That is how to add sticky notes on your Samsung Notes on your Samsung Galaxy device.